Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest gadgets and how to use them like pros. Today, we're tackling something super practical: connecting your Roku TV to an Xfinity hotspot in 2025. With the ever-evolving world of streaming and internet, this setup is perfect for travelers, students in dorms, or anyone needing a reliable Wi-Fi boost on the go. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Roku TV turned on, an active Xfinity account, and access to the Xfinity hotspot. Remember, these are often public networks, so security is key. Start by grabbing your Roku remote and navigating to the home screen. Look for the Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon, and select it. Once in Settings, scroll down to Network and hit Enter. This is where the magic happens. You'll see an option for Set up connection or wireless networks. Select that, and your Roku will scan for available Wi-Fi networks. In 2025, Xfinity hotspots might show up with enhanced security features, so keep an eye out for any updates in the interface. From the list, find your Xfinity hotspot. It might be named something like Xfinity Wi-Fi, and select it. If it's password protected, enter the credentials carefully. Xfinity often uses a simple login process, but double-check for any two-factor authentication prompts. After entering the details, your Roku will attempt to connect. Give it a minute or two, as signal strength can vary. If everything goes smoothly, you'll get a confirmation message, and your Roku TV will be online, ready for all your favorite shows. But hey, if you run into issues, like a weak signal or connection errors, try restarting your Roku, moving closer to the hotspot, or checking your Xfinity app for network status. It's a quick fix most of the time. And there you have it. You're all set to stream seamlessly. This method keeps things simple and efficient, especially with 2025's potential upgrades to faster connections. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.